wondered about those hand positions you see on the Buddha statues? Sometimes he has his hand up, and sometimes the fingertips are pointing down. Sometimes the hands are folded in the lap. And have you wondered, what should I be doing with my hands when I'm meditating? Does it matter? Does it help? If that's you, then you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to talk about what those hand positions are and how you can use them in your meditation practice if you'd like to. I'm Shirley Archer, and I'm a best-selling author of 15 books on fitness and wellness. I'm an award-winning trainer and a mindful health educator. I worked for 15 years at the Stanford University Prevention Research Center, and I am passionate about empowering you with the information that you need to create the healthy, happy, energetic life that you deserve. Today, we're going to talk about what those hand positions are and how you can use them in your meditation practice to help you increase calm and peace in your life. We're going to talk about what a mudra is, types that are used in meditation, what the benefits are. So first, what is a mudra? It is simply those hand positions that I described that you see when you observe the statues of the Buddha, or when you see people meditating, they're doing different things with their hands. They are from the yogic and Indian tradition. They're also in the Buddhist tradition. And every culture that has some form of hand gestures, even Christianity has a prayer position, or you see the Buddha with the hand up. So it's something that has been part of traditional cultures. Types of hand positions that you see in meditation are where people put the index finger down to the thumb. Now, each finger represents, in the palm, different elements as well as different chakras in the yogic tradition. And when you put the index finger to the thumb, you are surrendering the ego to universal conscience. So this helps you concentrate, and it also gives you a focal point. It's said that if the palm is up, you're in a more receptive state of energy, and if the palm is down, you are more grounded. So you can use this hand position in your meditation by when you want to be more open and receptive and to improve your concentration, or when you're feeling more scattered, you can place the palms down on the thighs. The palm on top of the other represents determination to be peaceful. It's very fascinating to me. When we want to increase our sense of peace and tranquility, the palms in the lap can enhance that mood. And it's said that with the right hand on top, it emphasizes the masculine aspect, and when the left hand is on top, it represents the feminine aspect. Another variation of the palms is to actually have the thumbs touching, and that is allowing the energy to circulate more fully, and is also a way in which to create calm. What are the benefits of using these hand symbols in your meditation practice? Well, number one, it gives you something specific to do with your hands, which is calming, because it's just one more element of your practice that you don't have to think about. You don't have to wonder about your hands. They have something to do. That can also be a ritual. I've created another video about rituals that boost your meditation power. So if you do a familiar hand position each time that you meditate, that can prime the brain into knowing, oh, it's time to meditate, and bring you into that altered state of awareness more quickly. It also can boost concentration and create stillness in the mind, because these things are very focused in their intent, with respect to what they symbolize and the kind of energy that they create. They are from the tradition of belief that you have a life force energy in your body, and what you do with your hand can enhance and balance those energies that are circulating. One other aspect of the hand gestures when you meditate is that they can be used as a part of counting your breath and calming the breath and slowing the breath. So for example, in the Hong Sa meditation practice, as you inhale and as you exhale, you bend the finger and you lengthen the finger. And that provides a focal point that coordinates the breathing with the finger movement and the concentration of the mind. When you're first starting to calm the mind is to touch with each complete breath cycle, inhaling and out, the index finger to the thumb, the second finger to the thumb, the third finger to the thumb, and so on, and maybe do 2 to 3 rounds of that while you calm the breath. And that simply provides you with a way to still the mind and shift into that state of quiet awareness that you want to accomplish during your meditation practice. I hope that that was a good overview for you as to what those hand symbols are all about and what the gestures are about. If you'd like to see the Hong Sa practice, I have a longer video demonstration that takes you through that. I'd love it if you would share in the comments below what you think about mudras and whether or not you use them in your practice or you have any questions. I'd be happy to help with that. And please subscribe to my channel, because in addition to the playlist on tips for beginners to start a meditation practice, I'm also creating videos that provide an introduction to the various types of meditation and using mudras as part of the Hong Sa practice that you might want to learn more about. So thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.